Good morning, dear students. In last class, we have completed our chapter and also we have solved the 5 questions of book exercise. In today's class, we will solve the remaining questions. Okay, question 6 to question number 15. Now, we will discuss question number 6. Explain the difference between thermoplastic and thermosetting plastic. Thermosetting plastic cannot be bent and on heating it cannot be softened. But thermoplast can be bent and on heating it can be softened, it can be molded, it can be changed in the shape. Okay, this is the difference in between thermosetting and thermoplast. Next question, explain why following are made up of thermosetting plastic: saucer handle and electric plugs, switches and plug board. Saucer pan handle are bad conductor of electricity. They do not conduct electricity. When we hold the saucer pan handle, our hand do not burn, and on heating handle cannot melt. Why? Because it consists of thermosetting plastic. Okay. Now second one is bakelite. Bakelite it used to make switch plugs, switch boards, switches which consist of a thermosetting plastic because they cannot be softened, they cannot be melted on heating. Now categorize the material of the following product into can be recycled and cannot be recycled. You differentiate the following materials into recycle and non-recycle. So plastic chair, plastic bowl, plastic toy, carry bag, ballpoint pens, the plastic covering on electric wires are can be recycled. You can use another. Okay, but cooker handle, electric switches and telephones you cannot be recycled. So these following items can be differentiated into recycled and cannot be recycled. Next one is Rana want to buy shirt for summer. Should he buy cotton shirt or summer or shirt made for synthetic material? Advise Rana. Rana should buy cotton shirt in summer season. Why? Because cotton shirt absorb water. It absorb the sweat of our body. Absorb the sweat of our body and expose into the environment. And it is very helpful to cooling our body. Okay. So we use cotton shirts in the summer season. Next question, give example to show that plastic are non-corrosive in nature. Yes, plastic are non-corrosive in nature because plastic do not react with chemicals present in the environment. For example, we use plastic bottles, plastic container in our homes. They cannot be corroded. Why? Because they do not react with environment. Okay. Next, should the handle and bristle of toothbrush be made of the same material? No. The handle and bristle of toothbrush cannot be made of same material because handle are hard and strong and bristle are soft and flexible. So both of the made up of by different material. Now next, should avoid plastic as far as possible. Comment on this advice. Yes, we should avoid the plastic. I have also told you in the topic environment and plastic. Okay, so plastic it is very harmful. Why? Because plastic is non-biodegradable. So what you should, आप क्या लिखेंगे? Plastic is, what is the answer of 11? Question number 12. Plastic is non-biodegradable. It causes pollution. So we avoid प्लास्टिक. हमें प्लास्टिक को अवॉइड करना चाहिए because plastic is non-biodegradable substance. It causes pollution. Now next question is question number 13. Match the term of column A with column B. Column A को आपको column B से match करना है. So see here answer number 13. Answer number 13. A and B. First, polyester. Polyester fiber do not wrinkle easily. Fiber do not wrinkle easily. So the answer of first is D. Now second, Teflon. Teflon, its answer is C. Used to make non-stick cookware. Okay. Now third one is rayon. Third one is rayon. So the answer is A. Prepared by wood pulp. Prepared by wood pulp. Next, fourth, nylon. Nylon, answer is B. Used for making parachute. Used for making parachute. Parachutes. So these are the answer. Okay, clear? Now question number is 14. Question number 14. Manufacturing synthetic fiber is actually helping conservation of forest. Comment. Yes, synthetic fiber is useful. Synthetic fiber is useful for conservation of forest. Why? If we use natural fiber, then natural fiber consists of plant. We cut the plants of the forest. Okay? If we cut the plants of the forest, which is environmental pollution, which cause environmental pollution, which is harmful for us, so we use synthetic fiber. Because if we use synthetic fiber, we do not use the plants. We do not use the plants and we cannot cut the trees. Next, describe an activity to show that thermoplastic is a poor conductor of electricity. One activity. What you should do? Answer number 15. In answer number 15, we make a circuit. We make a circuit. For example, in one circuit, we use metal. In one circuit, we use metal. This is a circuit. We connect to source of battery. Also, we apply a bulb. We connected a bulb. Now, in another circuit, we use plastic. We use plastic and connect with a battery and a bulb also. When we pass a current, then in this condition, bulb glow. Bulb glow. Why? Because metal conduct electricity. But in this condition, it is a plastic. Plastic do not conduct electricity. Bulb do not glow. Bulb do not glow. Okay? Why? Plastic do not conduct electricity. So bulb do not glow. But metal conduct electricity. That's why the bulb glow. These are the activity. In this activity, we make a circuit. In one circuit, we take a metal. In another circuit, we take a plastic. When we pass the current, then bulb glow in first case and bulb do not glow in second case. Because in first case, metal conduct electricity, but in second case, plastic do not conduct electricity. Now your question has been completed and your chapter also completed. Thank you so much.